You are a?
Yeah.
What are you? You are boy. At she
Boy.
is?
Girl.
Oh, she is?
Girl.
Okay, very good. This is?
Cow.
No.
Horse.
Horse. This is?
Nicola.
Huh?
Nicola.
Iglo. This is?
Choose. Strawberry juice.
Huh? This is?
Grape juice.
This is only juice, guys. There's no flavor there. This is juice. This is?
Kangaroo.
Wow, very good. This
Taco.
is?
Lion.
Wow, this is?
Monkey.
Wow.
Egg.
Okay. No, this is not egg. This is...
Tree mess.
Oh, yung nga yung ant? No, no, no.
Ano?
Yung... nest. Nest.
Yes.
If the bird or the chicken having an egg, it will put in the nest. Okay?
I right. Apple pie.
Octopus. Very good. This is?
Queen.
Oh, wow.
Rabbit.
Okay.
Sun.
Okay.
Turtle.
Turtle. Turtle.
Perilla.
Umbrella. This is?
Canino.
Volcano. This is?
Dolphin.
Whale.
Whale.
This is the other
Whale.
no. Whale is different from dolphin. Whale can catch the person. Dolphin, they are friendly. This is?
Skeleton.
No. This is inside of you. Someone is wanted. Your doctor is wanted to see inside of you. What he use? X-ray.
X-ray.
This is? Yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
This is? This is? I saw. This is
You.
the animal with like this. Zebra.
Zebra.
Wow!